Oh, if hearts could speak before they broke, mine would have begged you not to leave. You packed tomorrow into yesterday without a single reason to believe. I stood there holding all our dreams while yours disappeared into the night. The truth was standing right beside you, but you never looked into my eyes. I kept reaching for your hand, but you were already letting go. How do I make you understand what you never know? I didn't do it. I never gave you a reason to cry. I didn't do it, so I just say goodbye. You believed the lies that stole your heart and tore our world apart. Now I'm left with memories that won't let me sleep at night. I didn't do it, but I lost you anyway. Your picture's still beside my bed. I can't find the strength to put it away. Every promise that we ever made still echoes through me every day. If love was all I ever gave, why was trust so easy to break? Now every tear reminds my heart of everything we couldn't save. If you could hear this broken soul, would you finally turn around? Or has the silence won this war without a single sound? I didn't do it. I never gave you a reason to cry. I didn't do it, so I just say goodbye. You believed the lie that stole your heart and tore our world apart. Now I'm left with memories that won't let me sleep at night. I didn't do it, but I lost you anyway. Maybe one day the truth will find you when the tears have all run dry. Maybe then you'll see the love you left behind that night. But if that day never comes, I'll still carry a name, because loving you was never something I'll be ashamed to claim. I didn't do it. I never stopped loving you. I didn't do it. Every word I said was true. If I could trade these lonely years for one more chance with you, I'd hold you close and never let another lie break through. I didn't do it, but my heart pays the price. I didn't do it, and I'll be loving you for the rest of my life. If hearts could speak before they broke, mine is still calling out your name. But some goodbyes never find their way back, even when no one one's left to blame.